A staffing crisis. That is why Howard County prosecutors say they dismissed a murder case. The suspect in the 2006 death of Chad Rouse. The prosecutor is asking the county council to fund more positions. WRTV investigates. Kara Kenny has been tracking the state's attorney shortage for years. She joins us with a potential solution that's gaining more traction.
These red dots show where the attorneys are. More than half of Indiana counties are considered a legal desert, and the shortage is hitting rural areas especially hard. Tonight, we're digging into a solution that's gaining momentum. Abby Strell is a Greenwood nurse and mom with a side interest, the law.
So it was always lingering in the background.
Abby couldn't give up her evenings for a traditional law school. Instead, she attended law school online through Purdue Global.
It was logically the only option for me.
After years of hard work, Abby took the Indiana bar exam in February.
You passed. I did.
What was your reaction?
It was relief and joy.
I state your name.
Abby joined dozens of new Indiana attorneys at a swearing-in ceremony on May 20th.
I feel really good.
This is the first time Purdue Global has been a part of this, thanks to a new waiver system that opens the door to online law schools. The waiver allows graduates of non-American Bar Association approved law schools to sit for the Indiana bar. All 5 Purdue Global Law School graduates passed.
I think the fact that all of our graduates passed on the first try shows that online law school can prepare its students just as well as traditional law schools, but for a third of the cost and with a lot more access.
Nearly half of Purdue Global students in Indiana live in rural areas or small towns, the areas hardest hit by the attorney shortage. Many live far from Indiana's brick and mortar law schools, IU McKinney, IU Mauer, and Notre Dame. Is online law school the key to solving this problem?
I believe one of the best ways to get more lawyers into rural areas is to make it easier for people who already live in those areas to stay where they are while they go to law school.
However, the Indiana State Bar Association says its members are split on the idea of fully online law schools.
And I think that most would agree that it's a better experience if you have the opportunity to go away to law school, brick and mortar.
The association issued this report focusing on other solutions, like launching an entrepreneur program
that will train people how to run, open, and sustain a successful law practice in a rural community. That's the first thing we have on our to-do list.
Monroe County prosecutor Erica Oliphant is hesitant about online law school as a solution.
I do think we have to be very careful because attorneys have a lot of trust and a lot of responsibility.
State lawmakers recently sliced funding from several pieces of legislation that could have reduced the attorney shortage. We asked Oliphant if she might have to dismiss a murder case like what happened in Howard County. She says no, but
a lot of cases end up getting sort of a volume discount. A lot of cases get dismissed pursuant to plea agreement. It saves us time and, attention to do that. But I don't always necessarily think that's the right thing to do.
I haven't taken it down yet. I'm just kind of still in celebration mode.
Abby Strell doesn't plan to become a prosecutor. Instead, she'll practice healthcare law. She's happy online law school helped her be part of the solution.
It is a great feeling.
You can see all of our stories on the state's attorney shortage on our website, WRTV.com/attorney shortage. Kara Kenny, WRTV.